When you want to prune your little lemon tree, it depends what's the objective, what's the aim that you want when you prune it. For example, this tree has small branches growing down here, and this one doesn't have it. This lemon tree, I want it to get more bushy and large with a lot of branches, because it is to stay at home, and I don't want it to get too tall. This, on the contrary, I'm gonna prune it in a way that lets it grow up and get tall. And one thing is, when you prune, the parts of the tree that you cut off gives more strength to the other parts of the tree, of the plant, to grow stronger. So I'm gonna start with this one. As I said, I am going to let these two branches down here. I'm not gonna cut them off because I want the lemon tree to get bushy and large. I'm gonna maintain these two branches, but I'm gonna prune them this way. Okay. And I can cut this part over here because it is growing in the direction of the main trunk, and I don't need this over here, so I'm gonna cut it off. Careful not to cut the main branch here, okay? And this one, I'm gonna cut this leaf that is growing inside, that is pointing, it was pointing inside. And I can cut one down here to give more strength to the plant. Okay, so it's going to grow up and to the sides, and this is what I want to this lemon tree, so I'm gonna leave it like this. On the contrary, this lemon tree, I want it not to get bushy, but I want it to grow tall. So every time a leaf or a branch starts growing from the main trunk down here, I cut it off so that all the strength goes to the trunk to make it grow up. So I don't have to cut too much. You can cut it only when the leaves start to get brown. If they get brown, this thing cannot happen, but sometimes it does. Or if it gets too tall and you have leaves or branches already starting to grow down here, and it has a big distance from the rest of the plant. So I just cut that over there. In some weeks or months, if I need to cut more, I'll do it. But for now, it's sufficient. You can prune the lemon trees when they are this size any time of the year. You don't have no specific time to do it. And it is important not to exaggerate on the pruning. It can be harmful to the plant. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.